Hi, now everyone who has the RiteKit package or RiteForge can schedule to unlimited Instagram business accounts. So in RiteKit, hit the plus to authorize your Instagram business profiles. And then in RiteForge, you can use the account picker to choose which Instagram business profile you're scheduling to, create posts, and send or schedule. Note that we don't have analytics for sent posts to Instagram. We're looking into the ability to add that soon. For now, you can take your Twitter and LinkedIn and Facebook analytics and find your top performing posts and then schedule them to Instagram. Then also in RiteBoost Bulk Creator, the automation dashboard, you can also schedule to Instagram. Here what I'm going to do is use the actionable alerts. Please avail yourself of our help for actionable alerts. So here you see I have an append, and I'm going to convert the URLs of blog posts, news pages, and such that mentioned right tag to a tiny URL with my ad on it for people who open that link, one auto hashtag, and I'm going to create an image, and I will choose book highlight as an example. Let's do these two. And then here, I'll just change to a different image template, save, and then I can add both of these to the queue for the right tag Instagram business profile. And if I look in RiteForge, that's publishing, here's what I see is going to go to Instagram. And note that the text you see will be the caption for the posts in Instagram. In Instagram, you'll see your post getting published like this, and then you'll use your right tag, browser extension, right click on the image, generate hashtags. Then what I'll do is just select several of the best ones, copy them, and as I did here, paste them, put them through as a comment. So in RiteKit, after you add your Instagram profiles, remember to set scheduling times and save. You'll use your Instagram business profile scheduling in RiteForge and the RiteBoost Bulk Creator automation dashboard. We'll be working on things like commenting in Instagram as well as analytics. We're exploring what's possible right now. Thanks.